Welcome to my YouTube channel, Scientific Facts. We offer you a lot of valuable information. Subscribe and like the video. Let us learn in the following about the benefits of cloves, the nutrients it contains, and its side effects on the body. Health benefits of cloves. Cloves are one of the spices used to add flavor to many recipes, and they are famous for being a pain reliever, especially toothaches. Its benefits are not limited to that, as it has many benefits, the most notable of which are 1. Preventing infections and strengthening immunity. It has been shown that cloves may help treat many infections because they contain powerful antioxidants called phenols, which fight free radicals. Among the most prominent infections and diseases that cloves help combat are arthritis and rheumatism. This is done by massaging clove oil on the muscles. Treating infectious eye infections, but it is not recommended to use it on the eyes without consulting a doctor. Cancers, especially gastrointestinal cancers, can be achieved by eating cloves in appropriate quantities. 2. Promoting respiratory health. Preventing upper respiratory infections and alleviating their symptoms. Preventing colds, influenza, coughs, colds, and asthma. Preventing bronchial infections and sinusitis. Expel phlegm and get rid of it quickly. 3. Treating and relieving tooth and gum pain. One of the most common benefits of cloves is its role in relieving toothache. In addition to being an antiseptic and antibacterial, it contains eugenol oil, which acts as an anesthetic. It can be used by adding a little clove oil to a piece of cotton and placing it on the area of pain. Then immediate relief will begin. Besides, it is also used to remove bad breath. 4. Promoting digestive health. Cloves have been found to help the digestive system with the following: facilitating the digestion process, expel gases, relieve vomiting, relieve stomach pain, treatment of diarrhea, reducing the risk of stomach ulcers and helping them heal if they are present. 5. Promoting sexual health. It has been found that cloves have a role in treating premature ejaculation by reducing the speed of reaching orgasm in men. 6. Regulating blood sugar levels. One of the benefits of cloves is its role in regulating blood sugar levels in diabetics, thus reducing their risk of various complications. 7. Improve liver functions. The antioxidant eugenol found in cloves contributes to improving liver function, in addition to its benefit in reducing the risk of cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. 8. Improve bone health. It has been found that cloves may help increase bone mineral density, but we still need more research to confirm these effects. 9. Fight acne. Clove oil can be an effective treatment for acne as eugenol stabilizes the activity of the bacteria responsible for acne and reduces the inflammatory response. Harmful effects of cloves and their side effects. Despite the health benefits of cloves, there are some side effects resulting from its use. Here are the most important of these side effects and warnings about them. Cloves are safe to use for most people as long as they are used in appropriate and simple quantities. But if they exceed the safe limit, it may cause some problems. Using cloves for children is unsafe and may cause them health problems, such as imbalance of body fluids and liver damage, cirrhosis. Clove oil is safe to use on the skin, but excessive use of it to relieve tooth and gum pain may cause some problems. Dried cloves may cause allergies and irritation to some people, so caution should be taken when using them. Inhaling cigarette smoke with cloves may pose some risks to the respiratory system and suffering from some infections. Cloves may cause bleeding in some people, as they contain some substances that prevent or slow clotting, which is also why it is not recommended to use them before and after surgeries. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should pay attention to the safe quantities of cloves that they can use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.